This is set up for AT command-based system. We can send AT commands via serial monitor, and Arduino will send its response on serial monitor itself. Let us send the AT commands. After sending AT, system should respond OK. This tells us AT system is able to communicate. We can see the LED has successfully turned on and off using AT commands. We can also read the current LED status using AT commands. We can also observe that changes in ADC values are successfully read from AT commands. Additionally, we are able to read ADC voltage and system on time using AT commands. Also observe that system is able to recognize the invalid commands.